Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this smoothie maker. Makes fresh fruit smoothies with a cross blade made from a high quality stainless steel, smoothie to go, with a 370 ml capacity, 67 watt power and with a 3 years warranty. And it has a rechargeable battery. Charge it and you can have this smoothie maker with you and use it anywhere at any time. If that is your office, on your vacation, for camping, fishing, any outdoor activities. You can even charge it on your car and use it. Well, let's open the box and find out how we can use it. Too much protection, wow. Nice packaging. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. There it is. Wow, it looks beautiful. I like it, it's quite heavy. The cup made of a high quality borosilicate glass with max level marking. There is the max level here. The usable volume it is 300 ml, total capacity 370 ml. I like this silver ring around, grey color. I think you can buy it and on a green color, black and white color. I like the grey color. And of course on the front we have the Silvercrest logo, the on-off button with the LED ring around. And at the bottom we have 4 rubber feet with a lock and lock safety button. Press once and that's how you can use it. Now it is on standby mode, it's flashing white. And here we have the micro USB port with a charging cable included. It is about 50 centimeters. And of course you can charge it from a power bank, from any 5 volt 1 amp power adapter, even from your car. Red ring light around, that means it's charging. It takes about 3 hours to fully charge from 0%. And it has 2000 mAh battery. Lithium battery of course. Working time it is about 8 to 10 minutes. Nice, I like it. Good construction. It is quite heavy, feels very durable. The container, you can remove that. And we have in the lid, silicone around. Definitely you can store anything at this container. It will be very safe. I will test it. And we have silicone around here. Nice. Press and hold. Press once, it stops. For 2 seconds hold the button. Nice, I like it. It is amazing, portable, you can have it anywhere and do your favorite smoothies. Well, let's make smoothies. Orange, apple, pear, banana, high protein pudding, oat, and if you want you can add milk or ice cream. Okay, we have red LED, it's flashing, that means it doesn't have enough power, it's trying to blend. Let's try again. Okay, it is fully charged, I can say. Nice, I like it. It looks tasty. Healthy smoothie. And without any leaks, it is very secure. Let's taste it. Wow, I like it. So tasty. And of course, if you want, you can install in this lid for storage, leak proof. Now let's try again. Same ingredients. Of course, if you want, you can add other ingredients like a strawberry, raspberry, whatever you want. Whatever makes you happy. I would like to have an ice cream right now. That would be a great choice. I have just added the high protein pudding, milk and oat. You can shake it, it helps. Sometimes it stops, press again to start. I like it. Sometimes it stops, yes, it doesn't have enough power, but in the end, with a little bit of help, you can shake it, has managed and finished the job. Yum, I like it. So tasty. And it is very easy to clean it under the water, the blade. Of course, blade, it cannot work if you don't install the glass container. Or with a glass container. Nice. With fully charged battery, I have made 12 times smoothies. Working time was approximately 40 to 50 seconds. That is a good time. It is portable, you can have it with you anywhere and at any moment you can use it with your favorite ingredients. It cost 22 euros. I think the price is very good for the things that it can offer you. And with just one press of the button, you can start. Only water right now. Wow, nice. And make your own smoothies. That was all about this smoothie. With a small help, it can do the job and in the end, it will give you a tasty smoothie. Until my next video, please subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.